Hello, everyone. My name is Sachin Nake, and I work with Forbes Marshall. We are in the business of providing innovative solutions in the domain of steam engineering and control instrumentation. We are in existence since 1926. We exist in 17 plus countries with the representation of 20 plus nationalities. My topic for today is role of learning for managing change. The idea of a change being necessary for the success of the organization can be very powerful. If we can create an environment where individuals are aware of the problems in the organization and they are also aware of the possible potential solutions, the support for that change process is automatically created. Now, if this thought is true at a systemic level or at an org level, I believe that the same thought is true at an individual level also. So, if individuals in the organization are aware of their existing strengths, they are aware of their existing competency gaps, and they are also aware of how to bridge those gaps and what will happen post they enhance their strengths. I think the support for the change at an individual level is also created. And when that happens, the organization creates or starts creating a culture of learning. So, what is the role of learning in organizational change? Is learning an enabler or is it a driver? You would be aware that there are a set of organizations that look at change as an event. So they think that the change is important, and the assumption then is, or the expectation is, all the systems within the organization should come together and support the larger level change that the organization is expecting. That is also good. However, there are a set of organizations that believe that if we create that sense of urgency at an individual level, if we create that learning appetite at an individual level, you don't have to really create that buy-in around that change because you have created that learning culture at an individual level. And when that happens at that granular level, just think of the impact that it creates at an org level. So, how do we create that learning appetite? How do we create that culture of learning? Easier said than done. We all know that, and we all kind of try to do it in our own capacities, in our own our organizations. I personally like John Cotter's work. You would be aware of his 8 step model. Now, typically, you would know that that model is used from the organizational change perspective. But when I look at that model from the learning and development perspective, I find a great relevance. So John Cotter talks right from the first step of creating that sense of urgency to creating vision, to communicating that vision, to removing hurdles, then creating that acceleration towards change, and then finally sustaining and institutionalize that change. If HR or L&D looks at that model from the organizational change perspective, I think we can create that culture of learning in the organization. So that's my only submission to you. Would love to hear your feedback on that one. We can connect separately and talk more on that topic. So thank you so much for listening to me.